Anvi. Today we're doing a fun experiment. You might like this. You need a paper plate. I got like 2 paper plates. You get 2. You get any 1 paper plate or 2, and you get like M&Ms or Skittles. Here's 1 more M&M packet. And if you want water, you need water for it. So let's start. Let's open the Skittles first. One here. There are a lot of Skittles. Look at a lot of Skittles. Let's put them on the paper plate. Oh dear. A Skittle. Do you see how I'm putting it? It's kind of sticky. I'm just switching something. Now, let's take the water. And not. Let's watch. Do you see it? This kind of working. Did you saw that moving? Now let's do this one. Let's see the first M&M packet. M&M 1. M&M 2. I have to take some. This is very fun. Did you like that experiment? I thought this will make it. These are different. Because Skittles have S and M&Ms have M. Oh, hope it will come. Let's go to the next one. Some Skittle time. Did you like that experiment? I think so. It happened to this because I didn't saw it if it happened to this. I just saw if it did to Skittles. Now. Is it working? Do you see it? I don't see it.
you to see this.
I hope you had fun with this. Thanks for watching.